Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Sierra Cut Capital. I'm here, I'm back. This time is not soccer. This time is the opening of Magic the Gathering. This is Double Masters 2022 Draft Boosters. This one has 24 packs, so yep. Let's get on to it. Let's rip it, yeah? Chase cards, Imperial Seal. Up to the back, yeah. There you go. I've been keeping this quite long. What's it long? Not that long. But, I didn't stand by it back. Hold on, How are you guys today? Has it been a bit? Is this I think be more pleasant if I'm not long. Okay, let's get unpacking. There's a pull tab there. Common. It's just foil. Another common. Rare. It's not a rare. Oh. No. Let's get rid of the piles. Common foils. Uncommon. Nothing much. Tell you the truth, I've been trying to sell this box. Nobody wants it nowadays. Maybe because of Magic's aggressive reprinting. Okay. Uncommon. Is it charm? So rare. Master Biomancer. Usually, if I'm wrong, was it Gate Crash or Return to Ravnica or even Dragon Mist? It was Mythic, yeah. Rancor, not bad. WF, Young Biomancer. Very good uncommons. System. I gotta go faster than this, Oh, there you go. Teferi's Protection. Foil rare. Which is full art. Not bad. Oh, I need to stand by the sleeves. Spell Pierce foil, which is always good. Privileged position and a mythic uses not good. Lightning Helix is good. Vampiric Rights, okay. Shall Glory, Disfigure, the Range Assistant Arcane. Let me just get the sleeves here. One of this. borderless foil. There, very good. Of course, you want a mythic, which is a good one, right? But you might get a lousy mythic foil rare borderless. I can't complain. I can't complain with this. Yeah. Uncommon, the artist, nice. Uncommon again. You a hoop. Mythic. Oh my god, the mythic is killing me. Offense. Lightning Helix again. Oh wow. 2 borderless arts for the commons, not bad. Kasali Primage and Tox Cover. Yep, is good. Maybe there's one there. Sorry, there's one card inside. Uncommon Tower Gaggle, common Thrive, rare, Surgical Extraction, nice, very good. CDC, okay. Path to Exile, not bad, not bad at all. Shadowbond Postal. Yep, nice. Common and a common. Sing Iguana. Green Sun Zenith. Very good. These are good less. Put aside. So yeah, Green Sun Zenith there. What the hell? Chicken Brothers. Devoted Trade, not bad. Not bad. Now Drifter. Okay, I'll take it. Tox Cover again. Not bad. That's it. Common with Bolt, nice, very nice. There. Horse of Negation, nice, very nice indeed. And Forbidden Orchard, nice, very nice. I need to split this. Wow, Horse of Negation. It's different. Actually, Forbidden Orchids doesn't cost much, but it's nice to have land. Common. Umbrella Knights, love that card. And doing standard, you use it for all the truck task kind of thing, blinking truck task, unbelievable. The common path to exile, nice. Chaos Wolf. Ooh, no. Okay, we'll keep. Not good at all. Full Steel Heart. And charm, another charm. Ulamok, nice. Very good mythic. This is a very good mythic. And it's a mythic that I need to sleeve. Varina. Lost Garrison. Another full art. Calling Oracle. Mythics. Like also I've been dropping price. Yep. That is what happens. The magic keep on repeat and repeat. Where's that white one? Uncommon Young Pyromancer, not bad. Foil. Nope. There. Oh my god. You cry if you buy a pack, you get these two. Oh my god. That's bad. All of Omens. What's that? Let's just use Sphere. Okay. I have a lot of you. Okay. Nothing crazy so far. Just the Force of Negation and Ulamok. That is notable. Maybe the Teferi Protection Full Art Foil. Yeah, Orderless Foil. Forbidden Alchemy. Warriors Oath. Another mythic. Not good. Okay, so far 4 mythics. That is the mythic count that you could get in a box, but there's still a lot of packs. There is still a lot of packs. Okay, let's hope for the best. Vampire Rights. Light of course, bring to a light. Still plate. Whoops. Sky Charm. Blood Artist. Not looking good in the moment. Not looking good. When what you want is value, you need to hit good mythics and good rares. But at the moment, we are just hitting good mythics and good rares. 10%? That's very bad. Breakthrough. Castle Primage. Mythic. Oh, Miracle. Oh. Yeah, I told you. There's another myth that should not be no mythic because 2 packs. And I can tell you also, there could be another one more mythic. 1 or 2. Maybe a 4 one? Come on. You can do it. Give it to me. A 4 one. Maybe a foil Imperial Seal. Come on. Yeah, one thing, I don't think you can get foil edge foil in the specs. It's only edge foils are only in collector spec. Unearth, not bad. Unearth is very good. Ataka's Command, not good. Oh my god. Unearth, Monolith. Spree. Hardened Skills. Okay. This left. Position of Kozilek. Ban Charm. Not bad. This is good. This is very good. Not every time you have it. Not every time you get it. Riftbolt. Leaf Captain. Momentary Blink. Leonin Arbiter. Oh, Lich. Very bad. Drift. Sorry with the camera. Really not looking good, guys. If you tell me this is an atrocious box. Terminate foil. More pleasant. My god. Do this. And Charm. Dwindle Ball. Yeah. It's not bad actually. Tokens. Good for Slicer this year. We hit back. But that's not good enough to be in that deck. Uncommon. Diamond Vessel. What is this? Add 2 different colors. But 4. If it's 2 mana, unbelievable. Mythic. Oh my god. 6/6. 6/6. Ah, it's a full art mythic. That is Maldrota. Together with Kambal. Oh my god. Why can't it be Imperial Seal? Okay, uncommons. Investigation. Bloodflow, connoisseur, ground salt, mana leak. God's willing, monastery Swift Spear, which is now common. I think about 6 packs left. I just hit the 20-minute mark, so yep. Okay, I see something blue. Top cover, nice, very nice. Little snipe. Mythic, and it's blue. Oh my god. Oh, I can tell you this. The mythic count is not bad, but it is the mythic that I get. Oh, escort. Seriously, guys. I can't complain with the mythic count, but I can only complain on the mythic that come out. The consecrated sphinx. Yeah, this is what I saw. Blue. Yeah, I think you might be saying, most of you will be saying, you should have sold the box. The thing is, I want to sell the box, but nobody wants it nowadays. Seek out the way. Okay, Vatican only. No. Summer Bloom, Kathleen Doom is rare in Kansotake. Uncommon, Conclave Mentor. This is traditional color. Common. Most possible. Just give me another one more mythic. Twin Flame, my god. Seriously, one more mythic. And then I'll start complaining. Opening through mercenary. Okay. 3 more packs. 3 more packs left. Yep, 3 more packs, guys. Oh my god. A foreign mythic. And it's my god. I can't complain again with the mythic count, but it's the card. Seeker Squire. Oh my god, look at it. Ooh. Heart wrenching to get that two rares. Yeah, it's a foreign mythic, which I asked for. I did ask for. Can I have foreign mythic? But why again it can't be an Imperial Seal? Come on, there's a lot of mythics. Good mythics. Okay, guys. I don't think there's any more mythic. Cartel Aristocrat. Foil. We were changeling. Leech. Pull for tomorrow. This. Wait. Okay guys, last pack. Is there gonna be a last pack mojo? Is there gonna be a last pack mojo, guys? Come on. Has been, I can't say atrocious now. Has been decent. I can say decent. Oh, let's go. Another foil rare. So we're going to get 3 guys in this pack. Line core, nice. Nice. Africa test. My god. My god. Okay guys, I think that's enough. Let me do a recap. Okay, you don't want to look at this, right? These are the rares. Hardened scales, yeah. Steel plate. Yeah, also privilege position. Yep. Okay, for this, there was what hardened scale, rectar foil, good rest, forbidden orchid, secret extraction, Gibson's this, foils of negation, and a foil, definitely protection, odorless foil. For the mythics, I'll start off with Uril and Musics, Bat, a foil Elinda, Concerticated Sphinx and Moldrota, the both are borderless art. Okay. Warrior Oath. Oh my god. And these two. Eldrazi's, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 mythics. The mythic counts, I can't complain, but it's only that it is not the mythics that I want. Okay guys, thank you for watching this Double Master box break. If you like this type of content, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I do Magic the Gathering sometimes, but most of the time it's soccer videos. But today I decided to open up my Double Master. Not that good. Yep. Okay. Thank you guys. See you next time. And goodbye.